Hello, this is SeoRamanArora, and I'm going to show you how to configure your domain on GoDaddy hosting account. So have a look. I have a domain. I have a list of domain. I'll show you which I'm going to configure. So in that case, I have a domain, and I am going to configure this one, ns2center.com. So I'll go to hosting, manage. So most of the beginners face this problem. They don't know about that, okay, how to configure a domain on your hosting panel. So this is a way. So in that case, firstly you have to check your domain is added on your hosting or not. So this is a panel in domains. So you look at add-on domains. So there is a list of domains which I have configured. There is no ns2 center. So I'll write down ns2 center.com, and I can write this one as 2. So add-on domain. It will take approx 10 minutes. You can see how to configure your WordPress in your in your hosting panel. So now your domain is configured. So the next task, we have to create a database. Go to MySQL database, and in that I'll create database ns2 center. So create database. So I will check it. There is a domain name is ns2 center is created. So I'll create a username ns2. You can manage the create a user with your name as well. So but there is a lot of domains, and so I'm writing the name with the same domain name as well. So password, so the user is added, the user has been created. And go back. These are easy steps. A layman can do that, these steps. So there is in my domain ns2 center, that's a user, and the database name is ns2. So I can add the users. So manage the user privileges. I'll assign ns2 center user to all the privileges to database ns2 center. So make the changes. Okay, so my second task has been completed. So I'll go back to the home, and my next task is go to the application. There is an application like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal. Lot of applications are there, and so I most of the cases I should prefer a WordPress to all the developers because it is easy. It's SEO friendly, so that's why I always recommend that. Install this application. So in that I have to select a domain which I am going to configure. So my domain name is ns2 center. So I'll delete this one, and my recommended WordPress version is 4.6.1 and my language is English. I accept a license, and these are the automatic updates. You don't have to change and update the minor changes. Do not automatically update the WordPress. Do not automatically update the WordPress theme, and create a backup. Automatically restore the backup if the update fails. So in that case I have to create a user and administrator name, which I always use to for login. It will be a permanent. Write your own email ID, or you can write a Gmail account. Okay, so this is my domain. That's the name is ns2 center. It's my dummy domain actually. So become a pro. So there is next one is do not enable, and this limit failed, and no. Okay, and and this is the main task which you have to do carefully. So in that case we are going to manage the setting, manage the database as well. So if like we have created a database, so we am going to configure that. If you don't want to create the database, and so you can do automatically as well. So I have created that, so let me manage the existing database. My database name is ns2 center, and my database name is ns2 center, and the password for database is, and the table prefix is wp, and let me choose which notification are sent, and my web hosting account, and do not automatically maintains backup. So this is them I'm going to install. These changes I have done. So click on install, and your WordPress is installed on your domain which you will select, like me as ns2center.com. So these are the basic steps which you have to do. Okay, now it's going to install, and I got a email from a WordPress install in my system. So this is my domain admin, and it's ns2center.com and wp admin. So this is the, I have to write down the domain admin administrator name and the password which I have configured. Write down the configuration time. So its name is so these are the few steps which you have to follow, and in my next video I'll show you how to create a blog or WordPress website in 10 minutes. So thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. And my YouTube channel is SeoRamanArora, and my website is www.seoramanarora.com. If you have any query, and email me seoramanarora@gmail.com and seo@seoramanarora.com. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.